Hello out there. Welcome to Geometry. This is Mr. Lepesca, and this video will be just a quick tour of our Canvas page to help you find your way around. We've landed here on the home page. This is what you should see when you tap on Canvas from your dashboard, tap on Geometry from your dashboard. And if you ever need to get back to the home page, you can just hit that home button on the top left. And on the home page, you will most frequently use the button Current Unit, which is the blue button on the left at the bottom. So I tap on that unit, that button, and that will get me into the calendar for our current unit, which is Chapter 1. That will be our first unit on transformations. And so you'll see here some links and basically a calendar of the first unit all the way down to when an assessment might be, so you can see what's coming up. Okay, so homework and lesson links will be provided here. And then as we complete a unit, under the next button at the bottom, the green button, Previous Units, if you click on that, you will be able to get back to previous units. So if this is we're reviewing later in the semester and you want to know what happened in units 1, 2, and 3, those links will be here. And then the next button in the middle is Contact Mr. Lepesca. That's pretty obvious and has my Canvas Messenger information or email, or when we are in school, you can find me in the math office. And then the next button there on the bottom is the Get Help, and that is both math help at the top. You can see where and how to get math help. And then also technology help, which might be useful as we get started here, just getting yourself comfortable using the iPad and Canvas and perhaps Notability, and maybe you want to use Genius Scan to scan in documents. So all of that information is under the Help button. And then finally, the last button on the bottom right is Course Info, which includes the course expectations document, and then links to this video will be there, and then the materials you'll need, which includes an ebook that you'll have to buy for the class, and a recommended calculators there as well, just as information. And I'll also add information here as it comes up through the semester. So that's the home page and the links from the home page. And then the left navigation side, you'll see there's a list of announcements. If announcements come out, they will be listed here. You also will receive an email with the announcement in it. Any discussions we have as a class will be here under discussions. And then if you want to communicate with other people in the course, you can tap on People and you can send them a Canvas message. So there's a list of all the students in all of my classes, so 5th, 7th, and 8th period. And then as assignments become graded, when you turn things in and then you get scores for those, you'll see your grades here under the grades link. Notice that nothing has a grade, but you can see that there are several tasks that are to be done in the next week or so. And then the Zoom links below that based on your period of the class period. And finally, a link to Desmos, which we will use at times during this class just to keep it handy. The last thing I would just want you to know of, maybe you already are aware of this, but the To-Do button at the very bottom of the Canvas app might be helpful to you. A lot of students have used that in the past to just show them what's coming up and what they would need to complete. So any assignment that you've completed would obviously no longer be on your to-do list, but it's helpful to know what's coming up and what you need to do. Just go to the to-do list. I think that's it. Hopefully this was helpful to give you just a quick